This year, we're going to take one man, a man that's not so handy, and transform him into a fully capable, finely tuned handyman. Over the course of 3 months, he'll be faced with grueling tool challenges, take part in extreme survival tests, and be dropped in the middle of nowhere, alone, to fend for himself. To get out alive, he'll only have your help and the right set of tools to rely on. Because without both, he's not just in trouble, he's screwed.
It's really cold.
All right, here's your radio.
That doesn't really help me get warm.
Yeah, it will, because with the online audience's help,
You have a little trouble
they
there?
can tell you
A little
what you
trouble with
need
the
to keep
wires?
warm. Here's this,
This is start fires?
and here's your gear.
Okay. Oh, it's heavy. You guys are mean.
Thank you. Let's go.
Welcome to the mountains, Alan. You know, I like how these notes always begin with this statement of the obvious. At JJ says to head due north. Okay. Some type of crate. For the next 2 days, you'll have a very difficult mission to repair and construct the abandoned A-frame cabin you see in front of you. Oh. This is kind of more like a shelter for hikers. It's gonna be my job to kind of repair it, make it suitable for myself. This looks like a lot of work. I hate work. Yeah. Ethan says I'm gonna have to build a ladder. Yeah, I'm gonna be using this saw. All right, there we go. That's 2 people that think I'm doing a great job, so blah, blah, blah. All right. Izon C is saying that I'm not a screw. Whoa! That was close. I don't think the altitude's getting to me. Maybe I just don't know the altitude getting to me. Oh, there's somebody on the water. Hello.
What brings you up here?
I was kidnapped and I was dropped in the wild.
Well, if you're going to be surviving in the wild, you got to learn how to fish. It's all in the wrist. No, that ain't going to get it.
You think I can spear any
A
fish?
spear?
This is gonna happen.
I think you're going to get hungry tonight.
Do you think I could defeat a bear with a sledgehammer?
No, you're going to lose.
Why?
Nice meeting you. I hope it works out for you.
Oh man, I have to walk uphill. What am I doing? Somebody's reminding me online to drink some more water. Enough with the water. This is the last rock. That's the last one I'm putting in. This has to be enough. Lee Jackson says that there are matches on there in my MRE. You know what? I'm gonna do it this way. I'm so close to getting this done. I failed. I give up. Nature wins. Okay, something's happening. Don't go out. I have created fire. Should sanitize that. Don't know what I'm doing. Am I supposed to burn the marshmallow or toast it? Gosh, good. Oh, God. Okay. I couldn't get any sleep last night, so I just, I did some work on the roof. I got a lot of the shingles done. Okay. I think I see something over there. We got a solar panel and some things. Think of my trudges. Oh, it's a bandit. Oh my God, he's eating my trail mix. Can't eat any of that now. It's contaminated. Here. Have some cracker. I think I'm gonna hide a little bit. That's the suspense part of this. Is it gonna fall off or is it gonna stay? Uh-oh. Door time! I'm glad I wasn't sitting there. Ah, that feels good. Master electrician! Journeyman carpenter, master electrician. I know my limits. This is it. This is the last little bit. Woo, look at that. Nice and done. Here we go. I am a rapper and this is my crib. I got my power, got my LEDs. It's not bad. South. That's southwest, this is south. Oh, here we go. I really hope the smoke signal gets me out of here. Who's ready? Who's ready? I'm ready. Okay. There we go. Ho-ho! I got smoke. Home sweet home. In terms of actually making something, I thought that this went pretty well, but I think of grown as a handy person. I barely even swung a hammer before this, so yeah, you know what? I'd like to thank the online audience, everybody who gave me tips. Hello, horsies. Okay, I don't get a horse, I get a donkey. Oh, whoa, I almost fell off. That would have been awful. I don't think I want to be friends with you guys. Woo! Here we go. This is it. This is the last drop. I am done. I'm ready to go home, guys. Whoa, hey. Ha-ha. Yeah, mule. Yeah. Can you stop so I can get a snowball so I can hit you in the back of the head?